In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a link so people can download your PDF file. You can do this with any PDF. The link is going to stay there forever and it's completely for free. So what you need to do is open up a web browser and go to Google. Now, if you've used any Google products or services before, you can go ahead and use Google Drive to do this. So if you go to Google, you can go to Google Apps in the top right hand corner and then click on Google Drive. If not, or you don't see that, you can just go ahead and type in Google Drive on Google and then go to this one here, Google Accounts, and click on Google Drive. You can then choose your account and log in to Google Drive. Now, once you're on Google Drive, all you need to do is go to New in the top left-hand corner, then click on File Upload. Then it will open up your File Explorer where you can then go ahead and find your PDF file. We can then click Open. Then you'll see it in the bottom right-hand corner here. Just wait for it to be uploaded. Once it's uploaded, if you go to Recent, you should then be able to see your PDF file which you've just uploaded. Right click on it, then go to Share, and then click on Share Again. Then it will open up a new window, and you need to change it from Restricted to Anyone with the link. Once you've done that, anyone with the link will be able to then download your file. Click on Copy Link, and you can now give this file to the public or whoever needs to download it. It will look something like this, and they will be able to view the PDF and most importantly download it by clicking on this download button, and they can save it to their computer.